Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Check the iOS version and that you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or Finder so you can undo changes if needed. Make sure you know your Apple ID password and device passcode. These unlock account and restriction settings. If the device is managed by an organization, you'll need permission. Now open Settings and we'll move directly into Account and Store Controls to stop the pop-up. You go to Settings and tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. This stop system prompts from changing store behavior. Next, restrict account changes and in-app purchases by setting them to Don't Allow so the pop-up cannot trigger sign-in requests. Then open the App Store settings and either sign out of the Apple ID used for purchases or disable automatic downloads and subscriptions to prevent future prompts. These steps reduce background prompts by removing automatic store access. You finish by restarting the device and installing any pending iOS updates, because updates often fix authentication bugs that cause pop-ups. Check the App Store for pending downloads and clear them by visiting your profile and canceling any stuck items. If the pop-up persists, reset network settings to clear corrupted connections, then sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test in safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.